Alright? Yo, don't get blacklisted. Lyrical violence, don't get backfisted. Rhyme giant, so far past midgets. New word, my flow is exquisite, sharp and different, possess heart and vision, spark and rhythm, prime omega, upon tears the situation. With comrades they want nothing, they know not who they facing. Mike methods cut deep like Voorhees, Jason. My patience is patient, knowing my enemies will soon learn we share zero relation. I'm on my Inglewood bounce, shade shice, mega dudes in this game, boy I paid price. The rhyme 9 sings loud with great advice. Bang!
Look, I got handles like sham guys, scramble like Randall in the flannel with my damn squad. Me and my fam all flag hard. Yo, I just got the race straight painted like a NASCAR. I put this ox to your cheek and left a damn scar. Push the cane down the walk of fame, I'm a damn star. Timepiece perpetual, hopped out the new PJ, fuck your schedule. Preaching with a reverend flow. Benevolent hands reaching over several stoves. The whip all platinum, but the bezel gold. I'm from Inglewood City, nigga, we do not care. Gat shoot a plug up out your scalp like LeBron's hair. Blowing purple Urkel in the air. Rocking a brand new Sky Dwellers, nigga just sit and stare. Pearl handle on the late model straight Glock. I'm a Broad Street bully, not talking state prop.
GeneralBackPain talking that talk for the streets, man. I like that.
The greatest of all time.
Yo, handle like Kyrie Irving, fully sober. BackPain Supreme Ali team, fully over. Soldier, stand at attention for our ruling, yo. Judgment, career, homicide, no fooling, yo. My comrades stay boolin', bro. And it's Buku Crips in the camp, that's where the coolio. Movie flow, no, my skills be the truth. Rhyme 9 freestyle dudes out they own booth. Movie flow, no, my skills be the truth. Rhyme 9 freestyles dudes out they own booth. Poof! You dudes is out of here.